Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Your company built a TensorFlow neural network model with a large number of neurons and layers. The model fits well for the training data. However, when tested against new data, it performs poorly. What method can you employ to address this? Option A. Threading. Option B. Serialization. Option C. Dropout methods. Option D. Dimensionality reduction. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Dropout methods. Question 2. You are building a model to make clothing recommendations. You know a user's fashion preference is likely to change over time. So you build a data pipeline to stream new data back to the model as it becomes available. How should you use this data to train the model? Option A. Continuously retrain the model on just the new data. Option B. Continuously retrain the model on a combination of existing data and the new data. Option C. Train on the existing data while using the new data as your test set. Option D. Train on the new data while using the existing data as your test set. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Continuously retrain the model on a combination of existing data and the new data. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.